Grade 9s, I'm going to go over what we did today in class. We are now extending our understanding of patterns by using tiles. That's different than using the numbers, but we're going to look at all of the connections once we explore the different ways of looking at patterns. Today, we did composite patterns. Different than the other days, we looked at one-step patterns, and today we came up with composite patterns. Composite patterns are those that have more than one thing going on. I asked you some key questions, and you did an investigation by looking at the tiles, having an understanding, talking at your table groups, and we decided, what are the red tiles doing? And you had said, the red tiles are always, Mrs. Lampo, they're increasing. So I said, by how much? And you said, by 2 every time. So if we were to go to the 4th position, we know that we would be adding 2 to the next group. So therefore, we'd not have 6, but we'd have 8 red tiles here. Talked about the blue tiles, and then we said, all right, what are they doing? Take a look at the pictures, and I've identified them specifically so you can recognize the blues are exactly what you said, staying the same. And I asked you, what does that mean, staying the same? And you said there will always be 3 there. It's constant. And that's why we came up with the language that absolutely part of that composite pattern is the constant. So that's our blue. The 3 will always be there, staying the same forever. So therefore, in picture 4, we know because it's constant, the blues, there will be for sure 3 more. We have added the 2 for the red, which gave us 8, and 3 for the blue. Total, there'd be 11 in that picture. So in our 4th position, we'd have 11. What I don't want you to do is continue to draw. I want you to find a way to use your number pattern to find larger values, different position numbers, such as 100. So you can use your pattern rule to find position 100, because it would be silly of me to ask you to draw all those tiles out. So we coded our multiplier as adding repeatedly provides us with the word multiplier. We're going to multiply by that value, which is 2, and we're going to add our constant 3, and we could find out any position number. So I randomly said, okay, let's do 100, and I want to know position 100. We multiplied it by 2, we added 3, and you were able to tell me that I would have a total number of tiles as 203. We were exploring. We came up with really good language. We came up with a number sentence. We have pictures to help us understand. Then we moved to the graphing, and we will make those connections tomorrow.